Hi, welcome to my powerful and practical series on essential oils. Today I'm talking about one of the most popular essential oils from Young Living, Thieves. This is a wellness warrior and it smells like Christmas because it's a blend of cinnamon, clove, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus. Okay, let's talk about its wellness properties. Oh my goodness. Once we started using this consistently in our family, my daughter had 100% attendance for the first time. I feel like we get sick less, and if we do get sick, we get over it quickly. So what do? We diffuse it, it refreshes the air, it cleanses, it purifies, and it smells like Christmas, like I said. But also, it comes in a vitality version. So I make a wellness tea. Basically, I grab my mug of warm water, add some honey and 1 drop of Thieves, and usually 1 or 2 drops of lemon essential oil, and drink that. You can drink it as a preventative or when you start to feel under the weather. It's great for a scratchy throat. It really feels so warm and cozy and comforting and heals you quickly. We also apply it topically on the bottom of our feet or spine daily. Remember to dilute it because it is a spicy hot oil because of that cinnamon and clove. I love using it for cleaning. It has such great powers for cleaning. Here's a couple tips. You can make a DIY scrub by adding several drops of Thieves, maybe even add in some lemon essential oil and baking soda. If you need to, add a couple drops of water, and it really has power. I add it to my wet vacuum to clean my hardwood floors, a few drops with the hot water. I like adding it to the dishwasher to eliminate odors, help the stinkiness, and just clean better. You can also put it on a few drops on a cotton ball. Add it to your trash can, in the car, to the gym bag, your kids' cleats, soccer cleats, whatever. It helps eliminate odors. If you clean with vinegar, add some Thieves to boost that cleaning power and make it smell better. I love doing this. I add a couple drops to the inside of a toilet paper roll to make a nice sweet cinnamony clovey smell in the bathroom. This can also, the vitality version can help support your healthy gums if you have any issues that way. Dilute it in some carrier oil like olive oil, and then kind of get a cotton tooth swab and rub it on your gums. This is a travel must-have because you want to make sure you stay well. You can make swabs with like coconut oil and Thieves, and even kind of put some under your nose or carefully inside your nostrils, or just make sure you be drinking your wellness tea before and during vacation. I always take that with me just in case. Well, those are just a few of the uses. There is even so much more. You need your Thieves essential oil. Let me know how you like to use Thieves and why you love it. And make sure you follow me so that you can get all my powerful and practical series on different popular and necessary essential oils.